Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? You're in the right place. Here are 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas to grow and earn fast. No skills needed. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Let's go! Number 1. Compilation channels. Take trending clips from TikTok, memes, or motivational speeches, add some editing magic, and boom, millions of views with ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Just make sure to use royalty-free or properly credited content. Number 2. AI-generated stories. AI is your best friend. Use tools like ChatGPT to write stories, add text-to-speech, and pair it with stock footage. People love spooky stories, romance, and mysteries. Number 3. Meditation and relaxation music. Upload soothing sounds like rain, white noise, or deep sleep music. No recording needed, just royalty-free sounds and relaxing visuals. This niche has insane passive income potential. Number 4. Fact and trivia channels. Did you know honey never spoils? People love quick facts. Use stock images, AI-generated voiceovers, and simple animations to keep them engaged. Number 5. Faceless news and trending topics. Stay on top of celebrity gossip, tech updates, or sports news. Scripted. Use AI voiceovers, add visuals, and you have a hot channel. Number 6. Product reviews and unboxings. Use stock images or screen recordings to review trending gadgets, beauty products, or tech. Earn from affiliate links without ever touching the product. Number 7. Animated educational videos. Explaining history, finance, or science. Use free tools like Canva and Animator to create simple animations. A super engaging way to grow fast. Number 8. Motivational and success videos. Take powerful speeches from famous personalities, add royalty-free visuals and text animations. People love self-improvement content, and it monetizes well. And here's your bonus tip. Combine multiple ideas. A trivia channel with AI-generated facts, a news channel with motivational clips. Get creative and stack your income streams. Now, hit like if this helped, subscribe for more YouTube hacks, and comment below. Which idea are you trying first? Let's grow together.